I have in total 3 synthesizer here. The first synthesizer, which uses some fourths, consists of a modular synthesizer. So I have also created a PD patch for this. This is a really simple patch. Yeah, actually just a modulator, the mod index, and there is also an envelope in it which receives the different banks, and yeah, the input is just delayed, so we will hear it later on. Then there is the additive synthesizer. Actually, there are 2 additive synthesizers, so we can have like 2 bus lines. And for the granular synthesizers, we use 5 different kind of sounds, and here we have used the granular synthesizers from the PD tutorial. So let's hear into it.